Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you why I can't turn off reading mode in character AI. The first thing you have to know about reading mode in character AI, it is usually because of one of these reasons. A is restriction. Character AI automatically enables some safety reading feature for teen accounts, and certain settings cannot be disabled. Now, if you haven't complete your age verification in your character AI, it will not work for you. Your reading mode, you cannot turn it off, so you have to make sure that you complete your age verification and make sure that you are using the teen account in order to have access to this turning off of reading mode. Another is app glitches or outdated version of the app. The toggle does not respond because the app is outdated. Now, if you want to update your app, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store if you are making use of Android version, or if you are making use of an iPhone, you go to your App Store and click search for character AI. So right here, all you have to do is to update yours. As you can see, mine is updated, that is why it's showing me open. The next thing you have to do if you have the same issue is to know that one of the reasons for this is future changed or removed character users reported. Maybe for some reason the app, you have violated the particular rules or policy guiding the app. Character AI occasionally change settings, and some users report the old toggle displayed not working anymore. So if the old toggle is being reported by users, it will not work very well for you. You will not be able to turn off the reading mode. Now, in order to fix this is what you have to know. Update the app, log out and log back into the app again. You can also clear your app cache. To clear your app cache, this is all you have to do. So you just have to click steadily on the app, click on app info. So right here, you're going to see the storage and cache option. Click on it, so you just clear your cache. Next thing you can do is for you to try using website version instead of the app. In case you are not able to have access of turning off your reading mode from your app, you just have to go to your browser and type in character AI. You're going to see the different kind of character AI we have there. You can install any of them. You can also reinstall the app. All you have to do is to go click steadily on the app, uninstall it, go back to the Play Store or website version and install the app again. So guys, that is it on why you can't turn off reading mode in your character AI. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.